There has been a lot of talk about La Nina weather system, or should I say climate phenomena that comes up from the Pacific Ocean and affects weather patterns and weather systems across the globe. This year, it's being said that Kashmir, northern India generally, and Kashmir, Ladakh specifically, could really feel the effects of La Nina with more precipitation, frequent snowfall and a harsher winter. Now we have with us Dr. Mukhtar Ahmed who gives out all these weather advisories, the IMD, and Mukhtar Sahab, first of first, a lot of talk about La Nina. For our viewers, for the people who don't know about the technicalities of this, can you explain to us for the layman's understanding what exactly is this and how it will affect the weather patterns?
Thank you. Last year, if you recall back the winters of 2024, January and December 2023, it was generally dry, and it's been said that El Nino was very strong last year, and as a result, the winter was generally warm and dry. But as compared to last year, this year different global agencies have already predicted the La Nina over eastern and central Pacific Ocean, and it's the abnormal cooling of sea where the temperature is below normal temperatures over eastern and central Pacific Ocean. As a result, the weather patterns over the globe change in terms of variations in temperature, as well as the alterations in precipitation over the globe, or we can say over different parts of countries or continents. So till now there has been no any major western disturbance over western Himalayan region, particularly Jammu and Kashmir. So during peak winter, as per different agencies, we have a very slightly harsher winter as compared to our normal winters, and it has been experienced in the past also that whenever there has been a La Nina years, the winter was slightly harsher and wet in terms of precipitation.
So this you're saying that Kashmir could see a traditional winter like previously. I remember in our childhood there used to be a lot of snowfall, harsher winters and extreme cold. So will that be back? And what about the other parts of North India? Will it affect Kashmir, or will it also impact the other parts?
Winter is generally harsher in J&K or in Western Himalayan region as compared to other parts of the country. Having said that, it will be a normal winter for us because snow is nothing new here, and in between we have experienced some dry years in which we have experienced or we have received a very less amount of snowfall during winters. So in other parts of the country there may be also slightly wetter winter months. As a result, the pollution level and all this will be reduced, and you will get a better solar radiation, and temperatures might be slightly higher as compared to normally. Less foggy winters in northern parts of India and rest parts of the country. And as a result, here also, due to higher snowfall or some intense snow spells, temperature might be become below below normals, and as a result, winter will be slightly harsher in Himalayan region.
Right. Last question. While it is good because Kashmir winters without snowfall, I mean, it does not have the same charm. And last year, the tourism places were deserted in January because there was no snow. So obviously, this is good news for Kashmir tourism. But do you think that there will be some advisory or precautions that people also need to take, considering that if it's heavy snowfall, and also importantly, when do we expect the most intensity as far as La Nina is concerned?
As of now, the La Nina conditions or the La Nina is still weak over Pacific Ocean, and it may intensify during peak winters. So that's a forecast itself. But what will be the actual weather here in Himalayan region or different parts of the country? This we will tell you in our extended range forecast and medium range forecast, and whenever there will be some wet spell and impactful WD, we will inform well in time on the general public as well as administration.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So that was Dr. Mukhtar Ahmed explaining in detail what La Nina is. Obviously, the common man does not know about these weather pattern technicalities, these weather models, but we for sure know that La Nina previously the kind of impact it has had on global weather patterns, on the US winter, which was absolutely harsh, and there was freeze, and one could really see a kind of an ice age being played out in real as far as many parts of Europe and the US is concerned. So this is not something that needs to be taken lightly. Obviously, the administration says that they are prepared, and obviously they will go by the weather advisories given from time to time by the IMD. But La Nina could impact winters, and as we enter deep winters, it could get intensified, and there could be snowfall activity, frequent snowfall activity in Kashmir and Ladakh, while the whole of northern India will also be impacted because there could be a wetter winter. That obviously means better days as far as little fog, and at the same time temperatures may also improve as far as other parts are concerned. But for Kashmir and Ladakh, this could mean heavy snowfall and harsher winter conditions come January and obviously mid-December to the end of January. With Campus and Tariq Loan, Meet Farid, Srinagar for India Today.